Okay, and for this challenge, we're doing stop spinning my words. So essentially here we have to write a function that takes in a string of one or more words and returns the same string, but with all the words that have 5 or more letters reversed. Just like the name of this kata. As you can see, stop is not reversed because the letters are like 4. Spinning, however, is reversed because the letters are greater than or equals to 5, but actually greater than 5. My has only 2 characters, also not reversed, but words is reversed since it has like 5 characters. Okay, so you can see some examples over here. It's basically like the same logic. The other thing to actually keep note of is the fact that we will only have letters and spaces will only be included when more than one word is present. So there'll be like no white spaces if we basically don't have more than one word. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is I just want to declare a constant with words stored in it as an array. So the way to do that is we want to take string and split it by a space. And this should basically store all the words. And once we have all the words, we want to just return words dot map. So map is just like we want to modify the array elements and return them as a modified array. So for each word, I want to basically say if the word dot length is greater than or equals to 5, then this is when we know that we need to reverse it. So we need to return that word reversed. So to do that is we don't have a reversing method for strings, but we have one for arrays. So the first thing we want to do is turn this string into an array. And we can do that using split, just like we did with the words. Split it by an empty string this time because we just want to separate each and every character. And so once we have done that, we just reverse. And basically now we have all of the characters reversed, but they're still an array. And we can just basically use the join method. And that should basically now make it a reversed word. Otherwise, if the word is basically less than 5 characters, we just want to return that word as it is, meaning unchanged. Return that word. Okay, so this would be correct, except we don't have it in the right data type. So a map is returning an array. So this will be an array of words or array of strings. So we want to also use the join here as well. So we're to join it and use a space in between to reconstruct the sentence. So if we run test, you'll see that we do have our tests passing and we can attempt, and all test cases should pass, and you can basically submit. And that was basically it for this challenge.